Yo, man, what's happening? We back up in here with another one of them things, man. Hey, look. I gotta fix this. Look at that. Don't worry about it, cause I got some LEDs on the way, man. But today, this ain't what we on. Man, we just had, last night, we had a really big storm, man. And I wish I could show you all the stuff, but I ain't really trying to go through all that to get no footage. It was a line down right here. I don't know what the line went to, but it was a line right there that was down. But a lot of the city was without power last night. And y'all seen in the video where I said, man, I'm finna start giving me these walkie-talkies, because at first around here, man, the Verizon phone, folks with Verizon phones, man, they had stopped working. Alright, cool. Now, the power went out last night. My phone wouldn't work. I ain't had no lights. I couldn't communicate with. Told them for fence up right there. They blew trees down. My internet didn't work. Like nothing was working last night. So I had when I first got my radios, I had gave Damien one, and we was talking back and forth, which y'all seen in the video. So he ended up getting his. His came in, so he gave mine back, and we was, you know what I'm saying. Last night we was talking on the radios. Then now one of our phones worked. We was talking on the radios. You know what I'm saying? He was out and about. He was telling me where everything was that failed. That, you know what I'm saying? And they did this, and did that while the lights was out and all that right there. So I'm like, yeah. So I talked to my dog today. Oh, 787 boy. And I was telling him about it. I was like, yeah, man, I really was calling to check on him, because my power didn't come back on until like 3 o'clock this morning. So I couldn't call him and check on him last night. He said their lights didn't go out though. Their power didn't go out. But like seeing that the power is doing it, like is doing it like almost continuous, like I called him like, yeah, man, me and my dog last night, man, we were talking on these radios, man. I was like, man, I told you, man, you gotta get these radios. He was like, man, I got some. He would ask me what the range was on mine. I told him mine was like 37 miles, but this gotta be like an open 37 miles. He was like, man, I need to test out the ones I got. So that tree right there field. I'm headed to Person house right now, man. We finna test these radios out, man. Cause man, look, one thing for sure, two things for certain, man. And I say y'all, meaning, you know what I'm saying, whoever doing whatever, ain't finna cut off my communication, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I can't be without communication, man. Somebody gotta know something. So I keep my radios charged up, man. I'm finna, man, over here, holler at P right quick. Man, see how much range we got on these radios right fast. See if you gotta charge them up or whatever. And I'm trying to put all my dogs, man. What you doing, dude? I'm trying to put all my dogs on these radios, man. Cause yeah. Got to, man. Look, yeah, man. Communication has to be had, man. Communication has to be had. I'm pulling up in front of P house right now. P done got this thing painted too, man. That thing looking good. You hear me? Ooh, I see you, P. P done got that thing painted. Man, let me holler at, let me hit P up. Tell him on my door. And yeah, man, we finna get the radio going. Yeah. What's up? Hey, how y'all doing? Yo, man. And as y'all know, we had a situation with the fried chicken, where I only had one turn signal in the front, right? So I went head on and bought me some Oxito LEDs, man, for the fried chicken. So I'm in the process of putting those in right now. Y'all ain't gotta see it. Y'all already seen it in the previous videos of what it looked like. So I already put this one in on one side. I'm about to put that one in. I'm on a time crunch really because I gotta go and get duty, man. But yeah, just put those in. I mean, just put that one in. About to put this one over here in, and come back, man, and test it. I mean, I'm come back. I tested it already. I'm come back and let y'all see what it look like. I really want to see them at night though. So yeah, let me screw this side back in. Unscrew that side, put it in, bop, 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 and I'll be right back. Yeah, y'all can see that one over there. It's flashing real good. Y'all know it's LEDs, man. Y'all see that? Yes, sir. So we all good. Everything ain't nothing hyper flashing or nothing. So we all good. We is all good. Let's switch it on. Y'all see I got them the flashers. Let me see. John's on. That's John on. Is this one on? Yep. That one on. So yeah, I think we did a good job. Can't wait to see him at night, man. So let me go and wrap this up, man, so I can go and get the duty, man. And yeah, I'll bring y'all back, man, for some nighttime footage. It's gonna be a short video, so unless I find something else to go with it, but probably won't. But yeah. So it's a little dark, but I'm definitely gonna bring y'all out while it's dark though. But yeah, but they ain't, I mean, and when you look at it, I mean, they bright. They definitely bright. But look at it. I don't know if I want to clean that lens or if I want to get some new lenses, cause yeah, this one is okay, but not really. I want them things to shine through, man. I don't want to, you know what I'm saying? I don't want it to be like my Bernie Mac on Players Club. Why am I being prohibited? Well, what is that? Why is she being prohibited? Yeah. The thing bright though. And like I said, no hyper flash, no none of that. No hyper flash, which is cool with me. Cause I thought I was finna have to buy all kinds of stuff. Somebody did that to my car. I don't know who did it, but somebody had to bag into me while I was at a store or something. Had to be a truck too. She's so happy to be outside. Look at her. Look, she don't even know she don't even know what to do with herself. Look at her. Look, just look at her. I don't even know what to do with herself. Huh? Cause you don't know what to do with yourself. You back outside? Huh? But yeah, man, I think I'm gonna have to buy some lenses, man, and go and put them lenses on there. I can't wait till it get dark so I can see. It'll be dark in a minute. Turn them LEDs on, the other LEDs. I know it compliment that real good.
We going to the store, it's back outside.
Yep.
I'm finna go do household duties.
That's it. You outside, ain't it? You ain't under the roof. You are under the trees.
What, please?
You are under the clouds in the sky. Compliment that real good, man. LEDs everywhere. I still gotta get her fog lights done. Get her fog lights wired up. There's LEDs in that thing too, man. We ain't playing. Not with the LEDs, we ain't. Is that a waltz? Yep, and I was just right there working on my car. But yeah, so that's what we got, man. I gotta get some more of these. I think somebody pushed this bump in and broke that on both sides. I think I showed y'all that before though. It's on both sides. It's cracked on both sides. Put some LED bulbs in there too. And then this bulb here is blown. That one blown. I got some bulbs in the house. That one is fine. But I'm probably put some LEDs in there. Matter of fact, what is that? It's a hex bolt. I got that. I go put them in. I just like when all my lights work on my car, man. You know what I'm saying? I just like when all them jumps work. So, yeah. I'll be back, man. I'll be back in a second, man, when it's good and dark outside. Then go take these sticks and stuff to the fire pit. I'm finna pour some gas and all this shit here though. Keep all this shit. Yeah, I'll be back. So yeah, I know y'all can't see me, but alright, we back. And it's nighttime. Them things, yeah, them things, they look mean, boy. Them things look mean. Big LEDs. Turn them flashes on, man. So I don't have on any lights. Like, I don't have on nothing. You know what I'm saying? Turn the flashes on. And like I said, I really thought that they was gonna be hyper flashing or whatever. But yeah, if you can't see them, yes sir. Yeah, I don't have on none of the lights. So now I ain't hyper flash. So turn these flashes off. Now I got my fog lights on now. I'm thinking everybody say I don't even, honestly, just to be real, I don't even use my headlights no more. I don't even use my headlights. Like, these jumps so bright. I think this one on the right side, on the passenger side, it need to be adjusted down, I believe, because that jump bright. But the stupid tag light still showing back here. Yeah, beaming on the ground. Sure enough. I ain't even got no LEDs in the what's it called? But y'all do remember I still got them stupid reverse lights on this thing. I still got them stupid reverse lights. Yes sir. Now you look up the street. Look up the street with them verse like that. Look up the street that way. Look up the street that way. Well, I need to have my reverse lights on all the time so I can just I can just guide the way for everybody. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. That's cool. Now I gotta and I haven't done anything with the dash lights. Y'all see that junk over there? So I've heard about these, it done died out. These ones over here done died out. Don't y'all worry about these lights on the dash. But these junks are still going strong. Climate control, gear selector. I still haven't found a light for the my light switch over here. I still ain't found that light yet, so I gotta find that light. But other than that, man, we all good. We is all good. Put this thing back in the yard. I think Ashley tag lights went out on her car, so I gotta get her some more tag lights. Get her some more tag lights, man. But yeah, I'm happy with these lights, man. These things good and bright. And it's gonna be a while before they go out too. Take a while for an LED to burn out, so yeah, that's all I wanted to do, man. Just show y'all that while we doing what we're doing. But yeah, it's your dog, man. Big Beelo, Mr. Animal himself, showing y'all the LEDs, man. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.